having a great week so far. I wanted to stop on real quick to share with you guys a really quick Happy Meal share, as well as a couple of hauls that I did at Target and Dollar Tree. So let me get started. First, this is some really sweet Happy Meal that I received from Kat, who is LollyThimble. Hi, Kat. She had sent me a letter, which I read. Thank you so much, Kat. Like I told you before, I love your letters. But she was just saying that she was working at her local thrift store where she finds a lot of her really awesome goodies. And she came across a couple of dies that I had mentioned that I did not have in one of my recent videos. So she was so sweet, and she had it wrapped in this sweet tissue paper, and look at that super cute holographic cat. And she said she happened to find these while she was sorting, and she sent them to me. How sweet is that? I've never even seen this before. Look at those peeps. She said she was watching the Happy Mail video that I did, that Anna, who was Serenity Creations, hey girl, that she had gifted me for Valentine's Day. So thank you so much, Kat, for thinking of me. This was so extra sweet. You are already too generous already, but I was so excited when I received this, so thank you. So let me share with you what I got at Target. I was in search of that unicorn squishy ball thing that Happy Mail Queen, who is Armin, hey girl, that she had showed in one of her more recent haul videos. And of course I didn't find it, but I did find some other things. So at the dollar section, the now I'm drawing a blank. I haven't been to Target in forever, but the you guys know what I'm talking about. So I did find these super cute rainbow erasers, which I wanted to use in some embellishment boxes. It comes with 6, but I already used 2 of them. So I'm really sorry for that glare, but this was only $1. And then I found these erasers, and these are popsicle erasers. I just thought they were so cute. And so that was $1 as well. And I did find these unicorns. I don't think that they're the cutest things. They kind of look weird to me, but like the head area, I don't know what that is, but I thought I would just pick it up and do something with them. Maybe alter them in some way. But these are $1 as well. I also found these like holographic pencils, which I thought would be great in my unicorn themed swap. So I did pick that up, and that was $1. And I think one more thing from I got these confetti straws, and they have a whole section for like Here Comes Baby kind of thing, as well as like wedding theme items. So this one says It's a Girl. They say it's a confetti straw, so I have no idea. I just thought it'd be fun to maybe add my own something in it. So this was $1 as well. So we'll just find out together. Oh, this is exactly what I thought it was going to be. So it's like these tissue paper dots that don't really move around really well in here. I got it mostly because of the tube. So I thought I'd stick some sequin mixes or something in here. I thought it'd be a cute idea. I wish they were clear, but these are the only ones that I found. And they did have one for It's a Boy, but it was the same color. So that will be fun to clean up. So I got that. And then I was also looking for these Swizzle sticks. For some reason, maybe these are the different ones than the other people that I saw hauling, but these were smaller and they were on clearance. That's why I couldn't find them. and they were $1.50, but a lot of them had the tops like broken off. And it's kind of at a point where you can't really adhere it back, otherwise it would probably keep falling off. I'll do something with it. So there's that diamond. So I did get 2 packs, and I thought these would be great in my loaded envelopes. So I got 2 packages of those, and they were $1.50. Excuse me. And then finally, I was in the craft section, and I saw these glitter shapes. They had a whole bunch of colors and different styles, but this is the one I got, and I think it's called Sparkly Unicorn. So of course I had to pick it up. This was a little pricey. I think it was $4.99, but you do get a lot in here, and I just love the mix. Look how pretty that is. So I did get that, and I think that's all I got at Target. So I will share with you what I picked up at Dollar Tree yesterday. I was watching Marissa's video, who is Creative Young Mama. Hey Marissa. And she enabled me. So I was in search for some of those unicorn items because of my swap. I didn't find, I think I found a couple of them, but not the main one, the little ring holder with the unicorn head on it. So I did pick up this stackable organizing drawer. I do have like 6 of them already stacked up in my room, and all I did was put E6000 on the one underneath, and they are stackable. So I have them as little catch-all drawers. But I picked this up for a specific project, and when I finish that, I will share that with you guys. Trying to get that glare out of the screen. I did also pick up some of these wooden dowels. Actually, I did pick some wooden dowels up at Target as well, and they have multiple sizes of thickness in them, and I can't find them right now. I've been using them, but I picked these up because I have been making these little ribbon curly Q things, which you will see in an upcoming video. But aren't these so fun? So these are all made from just regular, like, satin ribbon. Like, varying thicknesses of just this regular, like, satin ribbon. So I made a whole bunch of those. Like yesterday, I made a whole bunch of these yellow ones, and you can see that they're different types of ribbon and thicknesses. So they're so fun. I love them. And they do retain their shape. So I've been making those, so I got those to do more of those with. I did find the bath bombs, and these are the unicorns. It took me forever to find these. They were finally located on an end cap. And I had to basically dig through all the unicorn ones because most of them you could see like it was broken, like in the face or the body. So these are the 2 that I don't think I saw any breaks in. So this will be great in some Happy Mail. I also picked up another one of these unicorn head keychains. I actually do have all the colors that they have to put in my unicorn section, but this is for some more Happy Mail. I picked up a tape measure because I need to take this to work when I'm measuring out certain things, so I thought that would be handy. I also found this washi, and of course Dollar Tree does not have the best washi, but I just thought it was so cute. So I did, actually this one is to be gifted, so I did pick up 2 of them. And I was happy to find that because I haven't seen anything in kind of these colors for the unicorn. So just a couple more things from Dollar Tree. I was in the cosmetics section, and I found these nail art 3D bows. So they're, I think, acrylic. But look how cute they are. Yeah, they're acrylic. Look. So I thought that was so cute. So these are the different patterns on there. So I did pick up 2 of those because I thought they were just adorable and I hadn't seen that before. I also picked up these treat bags, and because they have stars on them, I thought it'd be great for my unicorn theme swap. I also found these stickers. They're like puffy stickers for my swap. And lastly, I picked up these. These are like peel and stick wall decor, and I saw this on Marissa's channel. I thought it was so cute. So look at that super cute unicorn. And then, of course, the poop emoji, which reminds me of Anna. And the rainbow with the clouds and stars. And then the huge ones on the back. So I did find that at the second Dollar Tree that I went to yesterday. So I picked up a couple of those. So that is my quick Happy Meal share and my haul from Target and Dollar Tree. I will be back really soon with a glitter tool tutorial that Anna has asked me to do, and also some more tiny little hauls I did over at Hobby Lobby and Daiso yesterday. So thank you guys so much for stopping by. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye everyone.